If you got a lot of animals like I do, then you know you're going to get a lot of messes on the carpet. And these cats are no exception. We got cat yak, we've got cat residue of all sorts. It just happens, and with dogs as well. So this stuff here works pretty good. You spray it down on the carpet. They recommend you spray it down for about 10 minutes and then let it sit and then blot it with a sponge or a rag. And then you might have to do multiple treatments. These are really nice because it uses an enzyme to eat up whatever that residue is that you've dropped on the carpet. Works on different surfaces. Cleans up here, you see at the bottom, urine, vomit, feces, and more. Does it all. 32 ounces. This stuff is actually here at the bottom as well, made in the USA. And it's got a nice container to spray it out and to get the areas cleaned up quickly. So I definitely have had good luck with this so far. Been able to use it in a couple examples. You've got a spray like this, it's more direct. And then if you go like this, one more turn, it'll do a lighter kind of a misting spray like that. So if you've got a spot where somebody made a mess, you're going to go ahead and just spray that down, let it sit for about 10 minutes, and then come back. And I just hit it with this. This is that more cloth-like paper towel. Seems to work pretty good for me. So yeah, I definitely would recommend. Active is a pretty good company. They got a lot of cleaning tools, a lot of cleaning mixtures, and a unique approach like this enzymatic approach is a little different than what you see for a lot of chemicals these days. All right. Hey, I hope that helps. Have a great day.